2011 Ford Escape Limited with 61,000, right at 61,000 miles. One owner, no accidents. Gorgeous color. Perfect first vehicle for student. Rear parking sensors, backup camera. There's the backup camera. Not a door dang scratch or rock chip on it. Alloy wheels. Tires are in great shape. Fog lamps. Moonroof. Everything works on the vehicle. Leather seats, power windows, locks, and mirrors. $60,961 miles at the time. Heated seats. Backup camera. Moonroof. Sink. USB plug, auxiliary. There's the Carfax report. One owner, no accidents. Original floor mats and keys. Second row leather. Vehicle's in immaculate condition. Cargo area, we still have the cargo cover. Second row folds down. (2011) Ford Escape Limited, 60,900 and some miles, one owner, in immaculate condition.